నైన్ ప్రతిష్టాత్మకంగా నిర్వహిస్తున్న ఇండియన్ టైగర్స్ అండ్ టైగర్స్ నేషనల్ ఫుట్బాల్ ట్రయల్స్ చివరి రోజు దిబ్రూగఢ్లోని కనిగర్ స్టేడియంలో ఉత్సాహంగా ముగిశాయి. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా యువ ఫుట్బాల్ క్రీడాకారుల ప్రతిభను వెలికితీసే లక్ష్యంతో న్యూస్9 ఇండియన్ టైగర్స్ అండ్ టైగ్రెసెస్ జాతీయ ట్రయల్స్ ను నిర్వహిస్తున్న విషయం తెలిసిందే. దీనిలో భాగంగా అస్సాంలోని డిబ్రూగఢ్ కనిగర్ స్టేడియంలో 3 రోజుల పాటు జరిగిన ఈ ట్రయల్స్ లో యువ ఆటగాళ్లు తమ ప్రతిభను చూపించి సెలెక్టర్లను ఆకట్టుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేశారు.
News9 Indian Tigers and Tigresses. 3 extensive, excruciating days for these final 300 selected out of, let's say, about 40,000 odd children. And only 25 will be the coveted chosen ones. Only 25 will be wearing the badge of India when they travel to Germany for elite exposure, for training under European circumstances, for really feeling like a pro like they should. And it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So many children over here. The 3 days of trials have culminated. Day 1 was about technical awareness. Day 2 was about tactical ability and strength and conditioning. And the final day was all about match-playing prowess. How much can you sustain yourself onto the pitch? So some last-minute penalty shootouts that are happening with the coaches over there. It is an uphill task for these coaches, mind you, to select 25 out of 40,000 odd registrations is a task in itself. The parents have finally come down to the stadium ground. This is the Kanigar Stadium. It hasn't been officially inaugurated yet, but News9 got an all-access pass, all thanks to the Assam government. Some more, children taking pictures. There are selfie stands over there, the checkered board that's over there, and photo ops that are taking place with, of course, the TV9 Network's managing team and all the students that are here. It's a final goodbye moment, if one could put it that way. And it has been a successful 3 days of trials. Let's just put it that way. The parents are speaking very highly of how this is turning into a movement. Last time we set the stage on the global level, and this time we're going to take it abroad, make it a bigger movement. It's bolder, it's better. This is season 2 of the Indian Tigers and Tigresses, and whilst we're at it, let me quickly take some names. This wouldn't have been possible without our presenting partner Srinidhi University, with our associate sponsor Ramaiah University, without the help of various state governments, because this is a partnership at its bottom level, at its core foundation. The Punjab government, the Assam government, the sports authority and the sports development programs of Karnataka, Jharkhand. You're talking about the Uttar Pradesh Football Sangh, the Ladakh Football Association. The list goes on and on. There's several schools that are part of this entire national hunt. And it's only a pleasure and privilege to say that this is not just an Indian and national talent hunt. This is a global talent hunt, one of the biggest in the world. So, I really pride when I say something like that we've been able to manage this. The team has worked extensively. The team has worked real hard. So many parents that have traveled from Gujarat, from northeastern, states, from the length and breadth of the nation, right from Ladakh up top, then to Kanyakumari, real South Indian representation. You have people from the northeast of India, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Assam, you name it. And, the players are here. They've come from all walks of life. This is about equal access. This is about equal opportunity. And now the final moment of final 25 that are going to be selected. They're all standard here. They're all situated here. And these are the ending moments, the culminating moments of the News9 Indian Tigers and Tigresses. Certainly everybody's enjoyed these past 3 days, living together, making new friends, making new relationships. The parents have gotten to know each other. One of them even wrote down a poem as well. All of that is available on our social media platforms. And this is a privilege to be here in the first place amongst these budding young athletes. This is a dream, but this dream will soon turn into reality, where we make India the actual global football powerhouse that it deserves to be. Season 2, beg your pardon, final trials are already over. Only 25 will now fly to Germany. That's the next and the final stage of this News9 Indian Tigers and Tigresses talent hunt.
న్యూస్9 ఇండియన్ టైగర్స్ అండ్ టైగ్రెసెస్ నేషనల్ ఫుట్బాల్ ట్రయల్స్ లో మొదటి 2 రోజులు టెక్నికల్ డ్రిల్స్, టాక్టికల్ అవగాహన, ఫిట్నెస్ పరీక్షలపై దృష్టి పెట్టగా చివరి రోజు పూర్తి స్థాయిలో మ్యాచ్లు నిర్వహించారు. దీంతో కోచ్లు, సెలెక్టర్లు నిజమైన మ్యాచ్ పరిస్థితులను అంచనా వేయడంతో పాటు అద్భుతమైన ఆటను ప్రదర్శించిన ఆటగాళ్లను గుర్తించారు. అండర్ 14, అండర్ 17 విభాగాల్లోని అబ్బాయిలు, అమ్మాయిలు పోటీ మ్యాచ్ల్లో పాల్గొన్నారు. ఆటగాళ్ల గేమ్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, టీం వర్క్, నిర్ణయ సామర్థ్యం, ఒత్తిడిలో ప్రదర్శన వంటి అంశాలను పరీక్షించేలా మ్యాచ్లు నిర్వహించారు.
Final day of the Indian Tigers and Tigresses trial. This is day 3 and it couldn't be more electrifying. Behind me, the under 17 boys are preparing for their final matches, and behind me, the under 17 girls' batch has just gotten done with their matches. How was the match? Yeah? Looking very tired and absolutely no josh at all. How was the match? Yeah, it was. Everybody got a chance to play. I was hearing the coach say that everybody got a chance to play, but do you think that there are any regrets that you left on the pitch? What about you?
Yeah, I didn't play well.
You did not play well.
Yes.
That's what you think. Well, on the contrary, from the outside, it looked like you guys played really well. What about you? Good midfield position.
I'm good, sir.
Yeah. What about you?
Well, sir, there is always room for mistakes. So, yeah,
Room for mistakes, room for improvement.
room for improvement. Sorry. Yeah, there is always room for improvement. So, I think I could play better next time.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
And आपको कैसा लगा खेल के? Performance अच्छा लगा?
Yes sir, अच्छा था. We all are from different states and we are playing together a match. So of course it is difficult, but it is a great experience. And we are playing from different states and everyone has different playing styles. So yeah, it is fun and it could be even better. But yeah, it was good. It was fun.
Okay. आपको कैसा लगा खेल के?
बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. मैं इतनी दूर से आई और यहाँ पे खेलने का
कहाँ
मौका.
से आए हो आप?
दिल्ली
दिल्ली से आए हो?
हॉप्स फुटबॉल एकेडमी से. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मुझे यहाँ पे खेलने का मौका मिला और मैं चाहूँगी कि मैं जर्मनी जाके भी खेलूँ.
बहुत बढ़िया. Let's be hopeful कि आप जाएं जर्मनी खेलने. What about you? Good goalkeeping.
Thank you. I met a lot of new people and I learned a lot of new things from them. So I feel really great about it.
हाँ. और आपका नाम?
रीमा कुमारी, मैं झारखंड से आई हूँ.
तो ट्रायल में अपना 100% दिया कि नहीं दिया?
यस सर.
ये जितने लोग ये पीछे हैं, ये जो पीछे छुप रहे हैं, इन्होंने ट्रायल में अपना 100% नहीं दिया क्योंकि इतना लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. ऑन द पिच बॉल हैज़ टू स्पीक, स्पोर्ट्स हैज़ टू स्पीक, और यहाँ पे आप लोग कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे. कैसा लगा आपको? पिछले 3 दिन कैसे थे?
बहुत अच्छे.
बहुत अच्छे थे. और बताइए कैसा लगा कि यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग किस तरीके की थी? कोचेस के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
कोचेस बहुत अच्छे से कराते हैं ट्रेनिंग.
हाँ हाँ. आपको कैसा लगा? इधर आगे आइए. आपकी सिलेक्शन कहाँ से हुई थी?
पंजाब फुटबॉल.
पंजाब से हुई थी.
यस.
और फिर आज लगा कि अपना 100% दिया है कि कुछ रह गया छोटा?
नहीं दिया है.
दिया है 100% दिया.
यस.
हाँ? चलिए, we're going to let them go and you guys can go grab some water, rest it out. The under 17 is about to happen. Don't miss this action, okay? Come back here for the match. So these were the girls, the under 17 girls is batch. Only 25 will make way from 40,000. Now 300 and only 25 will make way. For those selected, it's a dream come true. And for those not selected, I think they're going to regroup, train harder and come back again next time because this is a national benchmark and this benchmark is clearly a pathway that gives.
దేశవ్యాప్తంగా నిర్వహించిన ఈ ప్రతిభా వేటలో 38,000 మందికి పైగా యువ ఫుట్బాల్ ఆటగాళ్లు పాల్గొన్నారు. పలు దశల ఎంపికల అనంతరం సుమారు 300 మంది ఆటగాళ్లు డిబ్రూగఢ్లో జరిగిన 3 రోజుల జాతీయ ట్రయల్స్కు ఎంపికయ్యారు. ఇందులో నుంచి చివరికి కేవలం 25 మంది ఆటగాళ్లను మాత్రమే ఎంపిక చేయనున్నారు. ఎంపికైన వారు జర్మనీకి వెళ్లి అధునాతన ఫుట్బాల్ శిక్షణతో పాటు అంతర్జాతీయ అనుభవాన్ని పొందనున్నారు. చివరి రోజు తల్లిదండ్రులు, కోచ్లు, సంరక్షకులు కూడా పెద్ద సంఖ్యలో హాజరై యువ ఆటగాళ్లను ప్రోత్సహించారు. గ్రాస్ రూట్ స్థాయి ఫుట్బాల్ అభివృద్ధికి ఇలాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు ఎంతో ఉపయోగపడుతున్నాయని వారు అభిప్రాయపడ్డారు.
So it's the final day of the trials. We're soon going to be culminating the entire trial process. It has been a long 3 days and very exciting 3 days. And the students are getting their pictures clicked. The selfie stations are on, one to our right side, one to our left side. And the under 17 match is also ongoing. But because behind me are parents, guardians, there are coaches also. इनके बिना ये possible नहीं हो पाता. First and foremost, a big round of applause for yourselves. Please give it up for yourselves. You have made this actually possible. Many of these students have come without any parent or local guardian, but many are here. You have taken, you must have taken offs. I know you're all busy people. Nobody is sitting idle at home. आप सबने time निकाला, आप सब आए यहाँ पे. Thank you so much. You are as much of a part of TV9's, Indian Tigers and Tigresses' success as much are these students. So I'm going to quickly go across. आप सबसे जानना चाहते हैं कि पिछले 3 दिन कैसे रहे. I know the arrangements and facilities were primarily for the students, but you still, gave it a shot. आप लोग फिर भी आए करने. आप कहाँ से हैं सर?
केरला से आए हुए.
हाँ. कैसा लगा? How was the trial?
ट्रायल बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन हमारा बच्चा लोगों के लिए एडवांस लेवल था. ये एडवांस लेवल था।
ठीक है, सो मींस दे कैन रीग्रुप, ये भी एक्सपोजर अच्छा रहेगा ना उनके लिए।
ये फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। आप लोग ये स्टॉप नहीं करना, ये कंटिन्यू करना है।
आप लोगों का साथ रहेगा तो हम बिल्कुल भी स्टॉप नहीं करना चाहते। द आइडिया इज टू कीप इट गोइंग। सर, आप कहाँ से हैं?
Good and happy this tournament. Okay. Okay, thank you.
आपके मतलब बेटा है बेटिया है?
Beta है.
अंडर 17 अंडर 14?
Under 14. Under 14. Okay.
आप मैम?
We are very happy to given such a wonderful achievement
From where have you traveled? So far away you traveled?
from Kerala.
From Kerala. So two parents from Kerala over here. आप कहाँ से हैं सर?
I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana.
Hyderabad, Telangana represent.
Yes, and we are really excited to be part of this, wonderful.
It's a movement
Game?
now. It's a movement.
Yes,
sir.
true.
Yeah.
And if whether irrespective of their selection,
Yeah.
but the experience is very really great, and the coaches were very supportive,
Yeah.
and arrangements also very good, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. You are from?
From Hyderabad only,
Okay, so
Same
to
from
Telangana,
Srinidhi.
Kerala
Yeah.
to Telangana represent.
Yeah.
South India leading the
Leading.
charge right now.
We are from Hyderabad. एक्चुअली हम भी जो है अभी अच्छा चल रहा है, समझिए। अब बच्चे लोग भी अच्छा खुश है। अभी वो लोग भी क्या है मोटिवेट हो रहा है।
Yeah.
अभी अच्छा लग रहा है वो लोग को। अभी सीज़न 2 चल रहा है। सीज़न 2 में अगर सेलेक्ट हो गया और कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो इनके सीज़न 3 में भी आएंगे। आप लोग बहुत ताउन कर रहे हैं।
सीजन 3 में आना ही आना है। सीजन 3 में आने का ही आने का। आप कहाँ से सर?
मैं झारखंड से हूँ एक्चुअली।
झारखंड से। आप कोच हैं, पेरेंट है, क्या है?
कोच है।
कोच है तो कोच, मिक्सचर ऑफ कोचेस, मिक्सचर ऑफ पेरेंट्स, मिक्सचर ऑफ लोकल गार्जियंस।
यस।
तो कैसे परफॉर्मेंस किया आपके बच्चों ने?
बच्चा अभी ट्रायल चल रही है, अंडर 17 है। अंडर 17 अभी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके।
क्या लग रहा है कंपटीशन लेवल क्या लगा? आप भी खुद भी कोच हो।
कंपटीशन लेवल बहुत हाई है। अब उनके ऊपर है क्या परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं। वो परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे।
क्या बोलना चाहती हैं आप? आपको कैसा लगा? लेट्स गेट अ मदर्स पर्सपेक्टिव आल्सो। किड्स आर बैटलिंग इट आउट ऑन द फील्ड।
बेटे के साथ यहाँ पे अकेले आई हूँ। लक्ष्य प्रताप सिंह, वो अंडर 14 खेल रहा है, गोलकीपर। और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। बच्चों को यहाँ बहुत अच्छा एक
आप अपने ट्रैवल के बारे में बताइए। आप इतनी दूर आई, आपने मतलब अपने बेटे के लिए आपने, दिस इज नॉट द, इट डजंट कम क्लोज टू द सैक्रिफाइसेस अ मदर हैज़ टू मेक फॉर देयर चाइल्ड, बट यू मेड अनदर वन। यू केम हियर, आपने उसको सपोर्ट करने के लिए आई। इट्स अ टफ जॉब। ये तो फिर भी फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स क्या करेंगे इतनी देर यहाँ पे दिन भर बैठे रहते हैं।
बिल्कुल, लेकिन हाँ, बच्चों को इतना कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, देखने को मिल रहा है, और वो एक्सपीरियंस जो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, खेल रहे हैं, इस मतलब वो चूज़ होकर यहाँ पर आए हैं, और उसके बाद जो ये कंपटीशन देख रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं, लर्निंग को भी मिल रहा है उन्हें बहुत कुछ। तो एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। कुछ अपनी गलतियाँ भी पता लगेंगी, कुछ अच्छाइयाँ भी उनको पता लगेंगी। तो मतलब पेरेंट्स के लिए भी अच्छा है कि बच्चे उनके ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो एक लर्निंग पीरियड है उनके लिए भी और पेरेंट्स के लिए भी है।
मैम प्लीज़, आप कहाँ से आई हैं? आपकी बेटी खेल रही है, बेटा खेल रहा है, कौन खेल रहा है?
यस, आई एम फ्रॉम मिजोरम।
ओके।
हाँ, मेरा स्टूडेंट एक लड़की है।
अच्छा, स्टूडेंट आप कोच हैं? You're a coach?
Yes.
Okay, आपका एक लड़की स्टूडेंट आया है इधर।
Yes.
Wow.
वो रेबिकी।
Okay.
वो डिफेंडर है ना वो।
हाँ.
और वो खेलने के लिए आया, ट्राई के लिए। ये ट्राई बहुत अच्छा है। बहुत मे बी क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट बहुत होता है। और एकोमोडेशन भी बहुत अच्छा था, और सिक्योरिटी भी बहुत अच्छा था। ये बहुत।
कंपटीशन कैसा लगा? आप कोच हैं, आपको बाकी बच्चों का कंपटीशन कैसा है? कंपटीशन लेवल?
कंपटीशन लेवल भी बहुत अच्छा था। वो मतलब वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप हो सकता है ना, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। वो आई वांट टू से ओनली वन थिंग, मे बी नॉट yet, but one day we will be champion Indian.
Yeah, let's give it up for that. One day we will be champions. And I think, I want to give a round of applause to all the parents also. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for making this a success. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. So there you have it. People from the length and breadth of the country, South India, North India, right from, Northeast, represent from Mizoram. So many kids from Assam over here. Many representing Ahmedabad, Gujarat, West Bengal, down south, Kanyakumari. Students from Ladakh have also come here. And it's all because their parents actually let them. The guardians are keeping a keen eye, and the coaches are also selecting them, making their dreams turn and become a reality. And like the lady rightly pointed out, very, very soon we should be a footballing powerhouse way below the 100 rank, and we will be the champions that we deserve to be. With camera person Govind Sharma, this is Kavir Naqvi for News 9 Dibrugarh.
3 రోజుల ట్రయల్స్ ముగియటంతో ఇప్పుడు అందరి దృష్టి తుది ఎంపికలపై ఉంది. జాతీయ ట్రయల్స్లో అత్యుత్తమంగా ప్రదర్శించిన 25 మంది ఆటగాళ్లు జర్మనీ శిక్షణా కార్యక్రమానికి ఎంపిక కానున్నారు.